Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Rika Rahmi and I'm from class 6A English Education Department. So here, I want to give review of language learning strategies course. The course Language Learning Strategies taught us how students can learn languages better using different techniques. These strategies help students become more independent, confident, and successful in learning a second language, like English. The material was divided into several important sections, which will now review from beginning to end. So, what are language learning strategies? Language learning strategies are specific steps or actions students use to make their language learning easier, faster, more enjoyable, and more successful. These include anything from using a dictionary to working in groups. Two popular models were introduced. The first is SILL, or Strategy Inventory for Language Learning. Created by Rebecca Oxford, it has 6 groups of strategies: memory, cognitive, compensations, metacognitive, affective, and social. And CALLA, or Cognitive Academic Language Learning Approach, focuses on cognitive, metacognitive, and socio-affective strategies in academic contexts. These models help learners plan, monitor, and improve their learning in structured ways. And then about direct language learning strategies. Direct strategies are the ones students use directly with the language, like listening, speaking, reading, and writing. They are divided into 3 strategies. The first is cognitive strategies. Cognitive strategies help in processing and using language. Example, repetition, note-taking, summarizing, translation, and using mental images. And then, for memory strategies, help to remember and store information. Example, using songs, mnemonics, pictures, or actions. And then, compensation strategies help when students don't know a word or grammar rule. Example, guessing from context, using gestures, describing instead of naming, or code switching. These strategies build confidence and allow students to keep learning even when they're unsure. And then, about applying direct strategies to language skills. This part of the course explains how to use direct strategies with the 4 language skills. First is speaking. Use role play, conversations, repetition, and peer feedback. And writing, use pre-writing, activities like brainstorming and outlining. And then also get feedback and revise writing. And then for listening, use strategies like summarizing what you hear, guessing meaning from keywords, and taking notes. And then reading, use predictions, summarizing, translating, and guessing from context. And also use tools like dictionaries and read out loud. This application help learners become active participants in their own learning process. And then, about indirect language learning strategies. Indirect strategies support the learning process, not the language directly. They are divided into 3 strategies. First, metacognitive strategies. These help students plan, monitor, and evaluate their learning. For example, setting goals, checking progress, and reflecting on what was learned. And then about affective strategies. Help students manage emotions like anxiety and motivation. For example, using relaxation techniques and staying positive. And then social strategies help students learn through interactions. Example, asking for help, working in groups, and practicing with native speakers. These strategies are important for managing your learning environment patience, and teamwork. And then, about strategy, assessment, and training. Hmm. Uh, Training types. The example is explicit training, implicit training, integrated training, and activities. So, in conclusion, this course has taught that language learning is not only about memorizing grammar or vocabulary, it is also about how we learn, and using the right strategies makes a big difference. Whether it's using memory tricks, speaking with others, managing our emotions, or planning our learning time, each strategy plays an important role. By understanding and applying both direct and indirect strategies, students can learn more independently, communicate more confidently, improve all four skills, and enjoy learning more. So, language learning becomes not only effective but also enjoyable when we know how to learn. I think that's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.